this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3-liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got your tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing. We do get a lovely bed liner with this vehicle, which is pretty nice. Tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, and platform gripped running boards on either side. Got spotlight indicated mirrors, turn light indicated, blind spot detection, side view camera, and moving to the front here, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back. We do get an updated sound system, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, 12-volt rear vents, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt. And of course, you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 87,234 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and feel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings, and you get a little digital speedometer down there. We got a collapsible gear shift with storage cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, your center console, tons of storage underneath, drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with dual climate and heated front seats, 12-volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We also do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, hill, and traction, media controls. And looking here, you have your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls, your navigation, pretty easy to use, search recent saved, and you can have your audio open at the same time. Your fave apps will be found in here, recent emails, messaging, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings here, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8100, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.